Welcome back. Time now for weather. I've been looking up at the skies all day long, hoping to see rain because I want to know and remind myself what it looks like when it does arrive.
Haven't you? And our grass wants to know too.
I mean, if it was November or December, I think we would know. Although last year we didn't see much in November and December. But you know what? It's July, and typically in July in Santa Barbara we see under 1/10 of an inch. So it is sort of a weather anomaly. It's not completely unheard of. You know, sometimes we get this monsoon shift, and that's exactly what's happening. We're tapping into that warm subtropical energy that's usually this time of the year focused over Arizona, New Mexico, and the Four Corners region. Tonight, a little bit farther to the west, we're seeing a lot of cloud cover still in place across the San Ynez Valley. Finally, a few sun breaks in Santa Barbara, but overall today, a mostly cloudy day. Santa Barbara right now showing 73 degrees. Temperature-wise, not really changing all that much for us over the past 3 hours. Goleta, 71 degrees. Look at Lompoc, clear into sunshine, but the cool spot at 64. Santa Maria, mostly cloudy at 66. And Ventura checking in at 72 degrees. Today in Santa Barbara, where we did manage to see a few sprinkles, trace amounts of precipitation for the airport. Downtown today showing a high of 78. Look at the morning low. Because of the juicy atmosphere, the warm and muggy environment, the low nearly at 70 degrees. That was 10 degrees above average for this time of the day, and it really makes those overnight hours a little bit on the uncomfortable side. There is some relief ahead in the forecast. Before we get there, here's the live storm tracker radar. We're seeing the radar beams spinning around our radar sites, one out there towards Vandenberg, and we can see a little bit of light rain activity to the east of Santa Maria. Much of this, though, not reaching the ground. You have to look really for those darker greens or yellows. That means that the rainfall is making it to the surface. A little bit of activity still up the coast of Monterey County. That's moving out of the area. We're not concerned about that. There is some to the south, but over the past couple of hours, most of the activity has winded down. That's very typical as we head towards the evening and into the overnight hours. And you'll see on Futurecast by 9, 10 o'clock, we're not expecting any sort of rain threat in the forecast. Tomorrow morning, dry, but a partly to mostly cloudy start. Then throughout the day, a little more sunshine. That helps to destabilize the atmosphere. So there's a chance around the I-5 corridor in Ventura County, maybe even into Santa Barbara County, a mountain shower or storm. Then as we head into Wednesday, that rain chance becomes much less, all because of high pressure. That's what's pumping in the humidity. It's located to our north. It's also bringing in a warm air mass, but as the high shifts to the east, look what happens here. We lose some of that energy. We lose the humidity, and for the late week forecast, we'll bring back the clouds and fog and some more seasonal temperatures. Tomorrow, still transitioning away from that humidity, but I think we will see more sunshine and with less cloud cover, a slightly warmer day ahead. 77 for Orcutt. Looking at 90 in San Ynez. Paso Robles tomorrow into the lower 90s. 77 to Pomo and up to 74 tomorrow afternoon in Orcutt. Variable winds on the channel, 1 to 3. I should say variable winds, 10 knots, west swell, 1 to 3 feet. Water temperature still in the upper 60s. Some great looking beach weather ahead, that's for sure. Santa Barbara 7-day forecast. The clouds and fog make it a comeback Wednesday into Thursday. It's the low clouds, though, that marine layer, and that's going to really help to drop temperatures back to near average, which is 75 for this time of the year. Lompoc, we're down to near 70 by Thursday and Friday. Santa Ynez will cool things down here as well. We're down to 88 by Wednesday, 85 on Thursday, then up to 87 on Friday. And for Paso, good news here, no triple digits in the forecast as we cool things down later this week. And we get rid of that humidity, more importantly.
Cannot wait. I think I saw, 67 overnight tonight in Santa Barbara?
Yes, a little better, but still.
So then you bump it up 10 degrees inside.
Yes.
Easily.
Easily.
All right.